Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn some of very common vegetable names in German language. I will be giving some important tips with each name. For these useful tips, please watch the video till the end. Let's start. Our first vegetable is Blumenkohl. Blumenkohl. Blumenkohl means cauliflower in English. Let's continue with the second vegetable, that is Bohne. Bohne. Bohne means beans in English. Our next vegetable is Erbse. Erbse, which means peas in English. Now move to the next vegetable, that is Gurke. Gurke, which means cucumber in English. Next vegetable is Kartoffel. Kartoffel, which means potato in English. Another vegetable of everyday use is Knoblauch. Knoblauch, which means garlic in English. Next vegetable that is mostly used in salad is radish. Radish. R gives the sound of R in German language, that's why it gives the sound here radish. Radish, which means radish in English. That is the most common vegetable, tomato. Tomato, which means tomato in English. Now move to the next vegetable, that is Zwiebel. Zwiebel. Zwiebel in German language. In English it is called onion. Onion. Our next vegetable is Möhre. Möhre, which means carrot in English. Next vegetable is Aubergine. Aubergine, which means brinjal in English. Next is paprika. Paprika, which means pepper in English. Let's have a look at the next vegetable, that is Rotbeete. Rotbeete. Rotbeete means beetroot in English. Our next vegetable is Kürbis. Kürbis. Kürbis means pumpkin in English. Next vegetable is coriander. Coriander. Coriander is also called coriander in English, but spellings are different in both languages. Next is Ingwer. Ingwer. If R is at the end of the German word, then it will not be fully pronounced like Ingwer. Ingwer. Ingwer means ginger in English. Next is chili. Chili. Chili is also called chili in English, but there is a difference of spellings in both words. Other one is okra. Okra. You are noticing that R is giving the sound of R in each word of the German language, like okra. Okra, which means okra in English too, and spellings are also same in both languages. Next vegetable is steakrube. Steakrube. Steakrube means turnip in English. Our next and the last vegetable is spinach. Spinach, which means spinach in English. Now let's review all those vegetables that we had just learned. Number 1 is blumenkohl. E is pronounced as A, that's why it is called blumenkohl. Number 2 is bohne. Same is the sound of E applied in it as A, bohne. Third one is apps. Fourth one is gurke. If E or R comes at the end of the German word, it will not be fully pronounced, like gurke. Fifth is Kartoffel. E is pronounced as A, that's why it is called Kartoffel. Sixth is Knoblauch. Here A gives the sounds of A in German language, that's why it is called Blauch. Knoblauch. Ninth is radish. R gives the sounds of F, that's why it is called radish. Eighth is tomate. Here A pronounces the sound of A and E pronounces the sound of A, that's why it is called tomate. Ninth one is Zwiebel. Z gives the sounds of S in German language, that's why it is called Zwiebel. 10th is Möhre. Here E with O umlaut, double dot over its E umlaut gives the sounds of U, that's why it is called Möhre. 11th is Aubergine. Here comes the combination of German language A, U, combination of two words. These two words produce the sounds of Au, that's why it is called Aubergine. 12th is paprika. Here you can see A gives the sounds of A, paprika. 13th is Rotbeete. 14th is Kürbis. Here U with U umlaut, that's why U umlaut gives the sound of double U, that's why it is called Kürbis. 15th is coriander. Here you can see R gives the sound of L, that is for coriander. A gives the sound of A, that's why it is called ander. 16th is ingwer. 17th is chili. 18th is okra. 19th is steakrube. 20th is spinach. That's the end. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more useful videos. I hope this video will help you a lot. No friends, bye bye.